Mental alchemy. Mental alchemy. Mental alchemy. What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Your spirit knows. Do you know that? I'm back.
Knock, knock.
So you really believe your subconscious mind doesn't know what you're asking? When I first began doing my different visualization techniques, I would constantly overthink the situation. Am I doing it right? What if these symbols are the wrong ones? Ah, damn. There goes that low vibrational thought creeping into my meditation again. This constant worry and fear is why we must kiss the rainbow. Yeah, your chakra work is the holy grail for getting your emotions and thoughts in check. Your emotions are getting in the way, and this constant repetitious battle with your mind is the distraction.
Message.
You don't have to give your subconscious mind, spirit, any roadmap or how to think through your visualization meditation techniques. All you have to do is know that your spirit, subconscious mind, knows that your spirit, subconscious mind, knows. Subconscious mind knows.
Oh, hi, Mark.
How are you for sure that it knows? Drum roll, please. Because your subconscious mind, spirit, higher self is you. Ta-da! You're not disconnected from your being. You are the being. You are the chaos being.
You are the being. You are the chaos being. You are the being. You are the chaos being.
Boom.
You don't have to have a conscious work when doing these visualization techniques. You need to know because you know that you consciously understand what the goal, intention is, and that your subconscious knows that as well. When you're doing advanced symbolic visualization techniques, you don't have to put literal ideas to the thought. Just do the work and the rest will follow. How your higher self ain't gonna know what you're asking for. It's you. It's giving you the low vibrational feedback loop that you programmed it with since you were a kid. Toasty! It's time for you to take control of your visualizations. Just do the work. Don't worry about the outcome. Don't dwell on the end results. Your spirit knows what you're asking. And in knowing that, is going to give you your heart's desire. Dream wise.
And you'll never see me coming.